That is a cool sounding chime. This will be the elevator at the General Academic Building here at UNT Denton. This is a nice elevator. I so love this elevator a lot. Has the UTEP mod, which is Dewhurst. I must say, the Dallas area has a lot more interesting elevators than Phoenix. I must say that. I think the elevators have more character in DFW, in my opinion. We're gonna get off at 5. I love those doors. I like that thing in the middle. Get off here. That is so cool. And there it goes. And that's it.